Well, hello again and welcome back to Posh Cats Camping. We've moved again. We're still on our tour of the southwest of England, and we've come up to the main road here at the entrance of Merrose Farm. It's a busy little road, as you can see. It's mid-morning here now, so cars are up and down. But the interesting thing about the entrance to Merrose Farm is plenty of space at the entrance, but there's a traffic light system. And I'll show you here. There's a 2-minute wait if it's just turned to red, but then it gives you time to get down to the entrance to the farm before anyone else comes up. Let's just take a quick look at that and I'll take you down to the gate. And this is the other end of the lane where the traffic light system is, and behind me is the entrance gate. And reception. And Sue's been doing a bit of laundry in the laundry room.
It's all dry.
Well, Merrose Farm is a huge site, and there is lots of pictures. I'll put how many there are on the screen because I've forgotten. I've just walked around. There's a lot of people sitting out enjoying the evening sunshine, so I'm trying not to impose on their privacy. But that was the main part of the site that I've just shown you, then we go into another open field, and it feels like you're on another site all of a sudden. And just to my left here is the playground for the children. As if having a big dog free to roam field isn't enough, there's a gate down the bottom which you can walk through another field which also doubles up as a sort of football and playing area for the children. But you can, with dogs on lead, you can walk through the corner of that field to a bridleway which circles almost the whole site here. It goes certainly around the one side, and then there's a footpath that comes through the site as well. So if you want to do a circular walk and then finish off running the dogs in the field, you can do that too. We've just had 3 nights here at Merrose Farm and we've thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a very well presented site. It is very rural, but it's a huge site. You wonder where all the people go during the day, you know, but there's lots to see around Cornwall. You don't have to drive very far to, in fact Truro is the nearest place here if you want to get into the hubbub of city life. However, there's lots of little places all along the south coast, and it's not far to the north coast as well if you want to investigate and explore Cornwall. It's a great base to be able to do that.